everyone, welcome to the PrimeGuide, and in this tutorial I am going to tell you that how you can install Visual Studio inside Unity. So first of all, you have to go inside the Google and you have to download Visual Studio installer and any latest version of Visual Studio installer. You have to click on this link. And now you have to download the community version of Visual Studio. You have to click on free download and it will start downloading on your PC. Now you have to go and click on that file which you have downloaded and you are going to install it. And it would take some time and it would ask, do you want to allow this app to make changes, and you have to say yes. Click continue and it would install. Now you have to open the Visual Studio installer and you are going to click on available, and inside available there would be some Visual Studio versions and you have to click on install button. This would take a few time. And now you have to click on game development with Unity. Just you have to tick mark it and you are going to click install and it would start installing on your PC. So after installation it would look like this. So this is basically the community version and you have to install the community version, not another version, because I had already installed the community version, so I dictated you about it by installing the enterprise version. But whenever you are going on this available option, you have to choose the community version. But because I had already installed it, so it was not coming on the available tabs, so you have to just install this. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to go inside your Unity and now you have just make a new script, any C# script, name it new script, any sort of the name which you want, and you have to double click it. Now what will happen that your script will open inside Visual Studio 2019 that you installed. So this will show this default layout. It shows the name of your class and it is basically a mono behavior class, and all these things would be shown on your Unity script. One more thing which you have to keep in your mind is that you should make sure that inside your Unity hub you have installed Unity with Visual Studio. Like how? Here inside the installs you have to add Unity, and whenever you are going to install a new version of the Unity, you have to just make sure that your Unity which is installed contains Visual Studio. It has this dev tool inside it, so just make sure and click on next and install it. I have already installed this, so I'm not going to install this. Like these two I have installed. This contains Visual Studio inside it. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial has benefited you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the PrimeGuide and follow us on our Instagram channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon placed very near to the subscribe button so that you may be notified whenever we upload a new video for you. Until next time, this is me signing off. Allah Hafiz.